really nice, what?
Gland?
Lacrimal gland. This is what's making your tears, your lacrimal gland. It tells me, is it lateral or medial?
Lateral.
Lateral. Think of lacrimal starts with LA, it's lateral, LA. So therefore, lateral, what is this muscle?
The oblique. Lateral?
Lateral rectus muscle. Lateral rectus muscle, what's this one? Superior rectus muscle. What's this one?
Medial.
Medial rectus muscle. So what is this diagonal one?
Superior oblique.
Superior oblique. Now notice it's kind of wide here and it aims toward the medial side. So just keep that in mind because not all models have a lacrimal gland. So you have to look at this. It's wide here and it aims medially. So that's how you know when you see that superior oblique. And you have to know what cranial nerve controls this.
The superior.
Trochlea, that's right, trochlea. And what cranial, this one, what muscle is that? Lateral rectus muscle, what controls that?
The optical.
Abducens. Abducens. The other four muscles are controlled by what? Oculomotor.
Oculomotor.
Very good. Somebody's been studying cranial nerves. Excellent. What's that?
Cornea.
Cornea. Cornea. What's the white of the eye? Sclera. What is the membrane on the white?
Cornea.
Bulbar conjunctiva. Bulbar conjunctiva. Gives you conjunctivitis if you get inflamed. Conjunctivitis. What is this thing?
Cornea.
Cornea. And what is that?
Iris.
In the hole?
Pupil.
So then what is this space?
Interior chamber of the anterior cavity.
Anterior chamber of the anterior cavity. And what is this space?
Posterior chamber of the anterior.
Posterior chamber of the anterior cavity. What fluid is in here?
Aqueous.
Aqueous humor. What is this thing?
The vestus.
Vitreous body. This is the big mass of gelatin or jello. Vitreous body or humor. And it fills what space? What is that space?
The posterior cavity.
Posterior cavity. What's that thing?
The central optical nerve.
Optic nerve. And what is this little dot here?
The fovea.
Fovea.
Fovea centralis. It's the word central.
And it's in the
In the
macula.
macula lutea. And what about these things? Okay, these are in part of the retina.
Those are the rods and
Rods,
we got
cones, and
The
ganglions.
brown are the rods, the blue are the cones. What is this layer right here? The pigmented layer. The pigmented layer. We've got the photoreceptors, or the rods and cones. What are the red cells?
that's the neurons.
They're bipolar cells.
Bipolar.
And then what are the green ones?
Ganglions.
Ganglion cells. Remember the colors are different than the book, but the same order. So you have photoreceptors are here, bipolar cells, ganglion cells. Then you've got these black cells that are connecting the ganglion cells. They're called amacrine cells. And the black ones connecting the rods and cones are called horizontal cells. But you want to make sure you know your layers. So what is this outer thing right here? Pigmented layer. Pigmented layer. Then you got your photoreceptors, which are rods and cones. What are the red?
Cell bodies.
Bipolar cells. And what are the green?
Ganglion.
Ganglion cells. What is this?
Retina.
Retina. What is this black part here?
The serrata.
Sartoric.
Ora serrata.
Orum serrata.
Ora serrata. So we have three layers. What is this layer of the eye? The white. Sclera. Sclera. What is this maroon layer?
The core or something.
Choroid or choroid coat. And then this is the retina.
Choroid coat.
Here's the choroid coat, but up here we have a different color red. So this is something different. What is this red here?
Oh, that's the stuff that does.
This is ciliary body. Ciliary body, that's what produces aqueous humor. Flows here, and then it's going to drain back into the bloodstream at that little blue dot. What is the blue dot?
The serrata. It's something venous.
Scleral venous sinus. This is what gets plugged up and you get glaucoma. Gets glaucoma. So this is the ciliary body, produces aqueous humor, flows through here, it drains back through the scleral venous sinus. Let's look at, let me have that eyeball, y'all.